Yesterday, we received an email from someone who was curious to understand and learn about my thoughts on this conference of party in Dubai and whatever is happening in Dubai. See, first and foremost, we will have a detailed discussion on those aspects on 17th December with Ambassador Anil Trigunyat. In fact, Anilji is currently in Dubai and he will bring in his very interesting views around the same as and when he discusses the aspects around climate diplomacy and multilateral organizations. But one thing that I want you all to remember is that please do not blindly follow what the Western media is saying or has said or is about to say. To be honest, countries like the US, UK, China, bunch of hypocrites. And I'm not kidding. They are. They will hire many NGOs, fund them, pay them well to create very interesting narratives. Do not fall prey to it. In fact, I will tell you some facts before you yourself go on to analyze anything that is being written in the news. United States population today is 4% of the world. And how much are the current emissions? 11%. These are current emissions. Forget about historical emissions. That's the current emission. China's population, 18% of the world. The current global emissions contribute to 30%. Those are pure facts. India's population is same as that of China, 18%. But its emissions just around 7%. That's it. And these current emissions is just the half story. The most important story that the world is forgetting is the story of historical emissions. 1 trillion tons of greenhouse gas emissions already accumulated since 1890s. And why is the world forgetting? Because the world is being paid money for that, to forget about it. Numbers there are insane. United States has the largest share in the historical emissions. European Union, 13%. European Union gives us advice on everything. 13%. China, 13%. And India is just 4% there. So the global north or the developed world is forgetting about the historical emissions. They are not talking about their per capita current emissions, but they have all the rationales in the world to pin the blame on India. So please read whatever the Western media writes with a huge grain of salt and follow through on whatever the Ministry of External Affairs will talk about it, officially speaking.